Okay, so my machine has let me make sure you can see. So the machine, I mean not the machine, sorry, the design space update has downloaded. So let's do a machine setup. It's our first option. Let's click on the Cricut Joy. Then it's going to ask for my personal information. Let me turn around and type that so you can't see that information. Okay, so now I put my information in. Let me bring it down so the light doesn't show. So now it says we've updated our privacy policy. Do you accept the terms? We accept and place machine 10 inches away from the wall, which it is because there's no wall behind it. Connect the power, which we did earlier. And then it says connect via Bluetooth in system settings. Okay, so settings. So I go into my settings and here I see the Joy. So I'm going to click connect. Okay, so it's connected. So we can now close this screen. And then we're going to go to click, if you can still see me, click here where it says continue. It says let's make sure that you've got the latest and greatest firmware for your Cricut Joy. So click update. So here it says it's rebooting the machine, preparing the machine, downloading the firmware. It says I have like 13 seconds. Well, it's going up. So it's updating the firmware on the Cricut Joy machine itself through Bluetooth. So I brought my adapter, but I don't need it, so we'll put it to the side. And on this video, once you watch the video, or if you watch the video, comment below and let me know what you think of the machine. If you're planning on purchasing one, if you're watching just because you are actually getting one, thinking of getting one, or anything like that. If you have any questions about Cricut, anything like that, I welcome you to join my channel. We'll do more Cricut videos on this channel as well as some great DIYs, okay? Alright, so it says my machine is set up, so click continue. Okay, and register. Alright, so my Cricut Joy is registered and set up. So we are all set. It says you get a free 1-month trial to Cricut Access. Okay, so let's do maybe later. Okay, so it says let's test the cut. Select the image to get started. So we have the lips, this a flower, a bear, football, mountain, or crown. Okay, so let's do the flower image. Click next. Confirm the blade is set in place with the clamp closed. I'm checking that it is. Okay. Insert smart vinyl under the guides and up against the roller. I'm going to go back into my, I don't know if I'm close here, to my pack here, and we'll pull out the one that says smart vinyl. Just this one here. So it says insert it and push it up against the rollers, which we did, and it automatically is doing a feed through. The blade had some kind of residue on it, so I was just wiping it because it rolled on it. And then it says start cut, so click go. And then cut is in progress. So we've done our unboxing in this video as well as our first cut with the machine. Once it does this, we'll test it and pull it off, and then we will I'll let you see it, and then I'll come back and do another video, like I said, later. And in that video, I'll actually do a cut with one of my own personal images or names that I've created for a cup that I'm currently working on. And we'll see how that goes. I will mainly, the purpose I got this machine for was, I'm mainly going to use it for my cup business, because I don't really do anything on a cup larger than like a 3x3 image. So this is what this will be specifically for that purpose, okay, for my business, for cup images only, okay. Alright, and I'm just getting my Cricut scraper tool, I think it's what it's called, and we'll weeder tool, I'm sorry, so that I can do all of my weeding, okay? And I do like the fact that with this machine, you don't have to actually have a mat. I think that was one of the main features, or the biggest features that sold me on this machine, okay? So the test cut is complete. It says next. Then we're going to click here for unload. It's not like on a machine where it's just a new machine, different machine. Okay, so here is the cut. Can you see? I'm going to hold it at an angle where you can see the cut. Okay, so there's the cut. It says remove the cut image from the backer. So so there's the image, okay. And then there, and then I'm just gonna weed out all of the negative space off of the image. So this machine came with a silver smart vinyl. When I was at the store, which I may go in the store and do a video, a recorded video, so you can see the display and all the different vinyl options. I think I'll do that. And you can see all the different options they have, because I noticed they do have the smart vinyl. Then they have like a permanent vinyl, and then they have a removable vinyl. And they're all on smaller rolls that feed right into the machine. So they're already perfectly cut and perfectly sized for the machine, okay? Alright, so we're almost done weeding our flour, getting all of that negative space. Alrighty. And we have weeded our image. So there's the flower and there's the cut. That's a really pretty flower. I need to find something to put it on. I'll find something. I'll figure out something, but I really like the image. Maybe I'll put it on my machine. But that's our first cut. We've unboxed and done a first cut. If you have any questions, comments, comment below. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. More videos coming. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and get to creating.